Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make Marvel armor in Minecraft. We're going to dive into the exciting world of custom armor creation, transforming your in-game character into a superhero. Whether you dream of Iron Man's suit or Captain America's uniform, I'll guide you through the steps. Get ready to unleash your inner hero with some awesome custom gear. First, let's talk about the visual aspect. Custom textures and resource packs. You can modify default armor textures, like diamond or netherite, to look like your favorite Marvel suits. Using image editing software, you'll adjust pixel art to create intricate details. Once your textures are ready, simply package them into a resource pack and activate it in your Minecraft settings. It's a fantastic way to personalize your game. Next, we'll explore enhancing your armor with mods. Many community-created modifications introduce completely new armor sets, often with unique models and textures. Some even grant special powers, like Iron Man's flight or Thor's lightning. You'll need a mod loader, such as Forge or Fabric, to install these. Always ensure your mod versions are compatible with your Minecraft game for smooth operation and epic gameplay. Finally, here are some design and implementation tips. Start by selecting an iconic Marvel armor, like the Hulkbuster or Black Panther's suit, as your inspiration. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and mod combinations. Always test your creations in-game to ensure they look and function as intended. Remember, creativity is key, so have fun bringing your favorite Marvel heroes to life in Minecraft.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.